Yeah, that's what you said.
I don't know what I want to do yet.
Check that out. That's crazy. I'll send this video to Kelsey. See that in the air? It's all dust. Uh-oh. Hold this. Until we get through here. Look in front of us here too. I don't know if I've ever seen that much dust in the air.
No.
See that? Is that smoke?
That's dust.
Ah, look up here.
This is smoke.
I think there's like a big fire.
I don't even see as much dust at the races.
Whoa.
Something major going on there.
Oh wow, check it out. There's water trucks.
Somebody threw a cigarette out the window.
Is that fire up there?
I can't tell.
Look over there.
Yeah, it's a fire. You can smell it.
No. Look in front of us. Shit, I'm worried about hitting somebody, man. Somebody hitting us. Whoa. Look, it's burning right along the road.
I wonder if this is one of them wildfires.
Must be.
Man, that's not good.
Jeez. Yeah, this wind isn't helping.
That's just spreading it. I'm glad you're driving.
Look on the other side.
Tires burning alongside the road.
Like flashing. See the fire trucks and stuff over there. Wow. I wonder how far it is up here when we get to the other end. That thing's still recording.
Yeah. I didn't touch nothing. It should be.
I think we're coming out of it.
A little clear.
More fire trucks.
There we go.
There it's starting over there. Wow, it's way back in there.
You gonna stop it?
Yeah, you can stop it. Zero visibility, it says.
Zoom in.
Whoa, that thing's got to roll, man. Look. Here, take my camera. Did you see how far over it was?
That would be scary right there.
20 miles east here, they got a wildfire.
You know, buddy.
I thought for sure that truck.
I thought it was done.
See it? I can't catch up to it.
I wouldn't want to get real close to him. He does roll it over. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, it's blowing us over too. See the back of it shooting over to the...
Do you have a zoom button or not?
I think if you go like this, double tap it or something.
Just makes it wide screen.
Look at it blowing. It's blowing us. Did it zoom in?
No, it just does that. Just goes
I'm
right
going later when it gets dark. I'm picking it to a comfortable spot.
He's got to go change his pants.
He's like, oh, I'm out of here. That's crazy, man. I don't know if you can see it with my phone. I can't believe the wind does
I
that.
just missed it. I got the mirror.
Oh, it's at the third one. Jeez. I don't even know if you can see this thing because of my glare.
Wow, I got the doorpost.
You did?
Yeah. A rock. I should be a photographer for all that.
Or not.